Starting to invest with a small amount is less about the size of the first deposit and more about building a disciplined system. The first step is to define the purpose of the money. If the funds may be needed within 1 to 3 years, investing may create unnecessary risk. If the goal is longer term, such as retirement, education, or building wealth, then even a modest amount can begin working for you. Next, establish a basic financial foundation. Before buying any asset, create a small emergency buffer, pay down high-interest debt if possible, and confirm that a recurring monthly contribution will not disrupt essential expenses. Consistency matters more than the initial amount. A person investing $25 every month can often build better habits than someone who invests a larger amount once and stops. Then choose a simple, low-cost platform. A brokerage account, retirement account, or employer-sponsored plan can each serve a different purpose. For small investors, low fees are critical because high costs can consume returns. Look for fractional shares, no commission trades, and access to broad index funds or exchange-traded funds. These tools allow a small contribution to buy diversified exposure rather than a single stock with higher risk. After that, decide on a straightforward strategy. A broad market index fund is often a practical starting point because it spreads risk across many companies and does not require frequent trading. Avoid the temptation to chase headlines or popular tips. When the amount is small, the real advantage comes from learning the process, not from trying to outguess the market. Automate the contribution if possible. Set up a weekly or monthly transfer so investing becomes a recurring operating rhythm rather than a one-time event. Automation removes hesitation and helps turn a small beginning into a long-term asset base. Review the portfolio only periodically and focus on progress over time rather than short-term price moves. Finally, keep expectations realistic. A first $25 will not produce instant wealth, but it can establish the financial behavior that leads to future growth. The value of the first investment is strategic. It creates momentum, builds confidence, and proves that investing is accessible. The most effective plan is simple, repeatable, and aligned with long-term goals. Start small, stay invested, and let time do the heavy lifting.